The property calendars are modeled on the Chinese calendars that you've probably seen maybe sold here in Richmond and in Chinatown, but they're, each page is one day, and often on the calendar it will tell you, what are good things for you to do, what you'll be successful in that day, what are things that you should avoid that day, and you can also see that there are the phases of the moon, there's the zodiac printed on each one. So obviously the zodiac is based on the movement of the earth and time as well. So I think the theme of time starts to show up subtly in other parts of the exhibition and then more strongly here. I also think it's really noteworthy that Amy's somebody who I've known for quite a few years and worked with previously, and for me it's very noteworthy that she cares about the context outside of the exhibition, outside of the gallery as well. So you see very strongly relationship building between the gallery and the library and bringing elements from both in. And I think that that relationship between the library and the gallery will continue to strengthen. And also very interested in planting the seeds of some kind of community benefit.